Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of East Coast Bass Fishing. Back out here at this pond once again. First off, I do want to try throwing a lipless crank KVD red-eye shad. Just kind of fish around, see what I can hook into. I know it's pretty shallow here, but I'm gonna try it anyway in the shallow end. I got the small one. I think this is a 1/4 ounce out of here. So guys, stay tuned. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Look at the size of that carp down there. See if I can spook them off. Massive. That's the first one. It was crank. Watch them hooks. Little guy. Hoping for something bigger at some point. I'm sure it will. Well, can't be too positive. You never know what's going to happen while you're fishing, but got that little one right there, right about under that bridge. I believe he probably followed all the way out, but I'm gonna keep casting there and see if I can catch another one. Something a little bit more size on it. Right there at the thing. I wanted that thing. Look at that. Two out from over this bridge over here. Come on now. Relax. I don't want any hooks in my hand. Jeez. Getting a little bigger there. Alright, moving on to deeper water. Hoping to catch something a little bit bigger on this side. This is where I lost that big one last week. Maybe she's hungry again enough to come in munch on this red-eye shad I got. If so, hope I can stick her. Here we go. Got one. That's 3. You guys are chasing them down today. I can just get this hook out of here. I'll let you go. Just relax for a minute. About the same size as the last one. Got a little blood on this one, but it'll be alright. Now I'm using, if you're wondering, I'm using this smaller one because I can slow it down. I can do a lot more with it. I'm using a 6'6" rod. I'd rather use a smaller one in a pond because you don't really know the depth out here. I know it's a little deeper, but I don't know exactly how deep. I do not want to lose this lure, given that I paid $6 for it. But here we go. Let's see if we can get a few more. I don't know if that was my first cast. No, it was actually my second cast out here. There, I'm kind of aggressive. They're chasing it almost all the way to the bank. The first two did. The last one chased it too. And I'm not really having to set the hook. And we got these super sharp hooks on this thing. See if I can get a few more out of here. If I keep catching here, I'm gonna stay here until I catch something big. Okay, I saw that. I heard it. Another one. Right about the same size today, but better than nothing. Just gonna go see if we can get a few more out here. There we go. Might be a better one here, actually. What is it? Ooh, nice little warmouth. Nice size warmouth. Check it out, guys. Right on the corner of that drain over there. That one. Put this back. See what else is over on that corner. Wow. Right on the drop, little guy. Size of this thing here. Compare it to the red-eye shads. Tiny. Little guy again. Oh, he spit it. That was my fault, setting the hook too hard. Got it right on the fall. That would have been the biggest of the day.